Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you view setting medium icons in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the Windows desktop or Windows front page. So here I will click the mouse right button and we will get the view, and I will press the medium icon. So here I will click here, or you can go from the keyboard control plus shift plus 3. See, now I click, see that icons has been changed. See, if I want to go the another thing large icon, the thing has been large again. Also I will set the small thing. See the small scene this. So in this way you can change these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.